I'm gonna try to finish this ceiling here. So as you see, trying to finish the work. Okay, most of these things is up and going. All right, as you see, all here is insulated. All of here is insulated, stuff like that. Okay, and all here, just gotta sand it down and paint it. And the reason why I have this mask on, this custom made, so you don't breathe in this thing here that would destroy your lungs and other part of your organs. So you have to protect yourself. Don't breathe that in. No matter how big or small the job is, you have to charge, because once you get sick, trust me, that money can't pay your doctor's bill. Painting, sheetrock, sanding and all that stuff, any of those jobs you're doing, you must charge as a professional, because once you get sick, trust me, your history. Couple of months, your history. I know people that die from doing this job. So now it's my time to protect myself so I can finish what I want to accomplish, okay? Anyway, people, if you're watching this video, check handymanservicecall.com or call 347-699-5602 or 347-565-8249 or Google JP Samedy. JP Samedy. So you get it. JP Samedy. Google me, you find me on the internet. Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, I'm there. If you can't really Google these things, just go to my website, request an appointment, and we'll take it from there. Anyways, gotta get back to work.